Welcome to the Pokémon CLA battle. The game starts at the main menu where we can begin a new battle, check the previous battle's details, view credits and game info or exit. We choose the first option and enter the battle menu. Here we can choose a Pokémon, view its details, start the battle or return to the main menu. Using option 10, we move to the next page and add more Pokémon. We pick Raichu and check its stats. Option 2 shows full details. With Raichu confirmed, option 3 starts the battle against Arcanine. The battle is fierce, but after 3 rounds, Raichu wins. At the end we can generate a PDF with the battle statistics. Once created, it can be opened to review all rounds. Option 2 shows Pokémon details. Option 0 returns to the main menu. In the main menu with option 2 we can see the last battle details. Option 3 displays credits and version info. With option 0 the game is over. Project.py contains all the main application code as well as the management menus. To retrieve the list of Pokémon and the characteristic of both our Pokémon and the opponents, I'm using PokéAPI.co. PDF battle.py includes all the logic for generating and exporting the PDF that contains every detail of the latest battle. Testproject.py contains all the unit tests for the main functions. The PDF document with the results of the latest battle is also located in the project's root folder.